how to access the same CapCut project on multiple devices. So if you want to access the same CapCut project on multiple devices, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, open up your CapCut. After opening your CapCut, just go and skip the ad or something and then go with the edit option, and here you will have your projects, right? So if you want to access the same CapCut project on the other device, then go with me option, which will be on the bottom. Make sure that you have signed in. If you have not signed in, go with tap to sign in and then sign into your account. You can use your TikTok, Google, email, or your Facebook. Once you've signed in, you need to just simply go with the settings option, which will be in the top right. From there, go with manage account. And from manage account, you will have your email, your password, your connected accounts as well. So in my case, I've linked my Google. So if you want to access the same CapCut on the other device, you got to simply download the CapCut on the other device and then log in using the TikTok, Facebook, or Google. Or you can also use your Apple account as well. And once you log in using the same credentials, you'll be able to see that all of your projects that you have on this phone will be available on your other device as well. So that's basically how you can sync CapCut projects across devices. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.